So here is a 1992 Casablanca Stealth ceiling fan. I got this from the Gaylord Michigan Habitat Restore in the summer of 2021. I got this fan, I think it was $20, and it came complete with the CT remote control, and it's in really good shape. The finish is mint, the blades are perfect, and it's just a really nice fan. I'm showing the fan as is, how it came. It's on a 2-foot pole, which is pretty long. That's why it's it's so far down. This room has an 8-foot ceiling, so it hangs down pretty low. And yeah, so this is a CT model, obviously because it's from 1992. I think the first year these were offered with IT was 94, but don't quote me because I'm not sure. It's somewhere around 93 and 94, and Nolan has his black Stealth with rosewood and a black CT remote control, and that's from 1993. So we will start this fan test. I'm using this remote control, which is also the one controlling my Venus CT upstairs, and this one does not beep. But it doesn't matter. The one it came with does beep though. It's on a shelf over there. I'm just too lazy to swap batteries. Test. Fan has some issues. You can probably tell. The cap is bad. Need to solder a new cap on the board. I think this is a, a, a gallery, but I'm not sure. But most of these from the very early years are mostly black and rosewood, but this one is fully black, which I actually like more. Flywheel has some issues because it's a stealth. They all have issues when they're like 30 years old. It's buzzing really bad because the cap is bad. Fan's now off. Light is going up in brightness. $35-watt halogen E11 frosted bulb inside. So it's a really dim bulb. Okay, now let's do the light. This is full brightness, and turning it off makes it do safe exit. So it's now dimming down. It's a 35-watt bulb, so it's really dim already, and it goes really dim since it's such a low wattage bulb. The one that came with this fan was like a 100 watt bulb, yeah, and that's too bright. It's not bright, but for my fan room, since there's like 10 billion lights in here, it's bright. Okay, now let's start on speed 1 downdraft. Fan's cap is bad, so speeds are really slow, really slow, and it buzzes on any speed past speed 4. Like high speed on this fan, I would say it's about like speed 3 on any other Casablanca. But soldering a cap should be pretty easy since I have the tools to solder stuff. Yeah, but I don't really care for these fans that much. I think they look nice, but they are a bit too chunky for me, if that makes sense. But yeah. Speed 2. Did I receive the signal? I'm not sure. There's speed 2. This is like speed 1 for any other Casablanca. So now let's go to speed 3. This fan has its canopy. It's somewhere in my other room. But yeah, the fan is in very nice shape. It just needs a new cap and probably flywheel because it's pretty warped. And if anybody wants to buy this, I'd probably sell it. Speed 4. Speed 5. It's buzzing pretty bad. Like, yeah, this is some slow speed for Casablanca. Speed 6. Yeah, as you can see, it's really slow. And now off. That's off. And now gonna do some close-ups. As you can see, the down rod is pretty long. There's the tag. It says it's FB 220178, I think. So F is June of 92. June of 92. I think it's June 22nd of 92. And it's the 78th fan made that day. I have the chart right there, so. Gloss black is in really nice shape. Here's the top. And this is my third Stealth that I've owned. My first one was a 92 Stealth in white. It's right there. I also want to sell it as well because Stealths are kind of boring. And my second one was brushed nickel. And that one was IT. And I parted that one out, and this is my third one. And these are nice fans, but I just don't care for them that much. I would much rather have that fan right there more than Stealth. Because California Zephyrs are just more interesting to me. The bearings in this fan are pretty good, so spin down is gonna take a while. And this is a 10-minute video already, so it's pretty long. The CT remote I'm using is from my Panama. This is from my CT Panama, and the remote that came with it. Let me see if I can find it. This is the remote control that came with it. It's in much better shape. It's probably my best CT remote that I have too. But I'm not using it because it's in good shape. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.